Why are there not more people talking about Lenze? It's time to dive into the future of automation. Lenze is redefining automation one solution at a time. From electric and mechanical drives to motion control systems, we've got it all covered. But we don't just stop at components. Lenze offers complete automation systems and digital services tailored for industries like packaging, automotive, material handling, robotics and commercial pumps and fans. What sets us apart? Comprehensive solutions that integrate hardware, software and digital services seamlessly. Think Industry 4.0 readiness with IIoT, cloud connectivity and predictive maintenance. It's not just about technology, it's about empowering performance and simplifying motion engineering. Imagine having a global partner with local support. With our extensive network of engineers and facilities, we provide personalized engineering services and a customer experience that's second to none. Been around since the mid-20th century, Lenze's journey from a trading company to a global automation leader is a testament to our commitment to quality, responsibility and innovation. Our software solutions, including IoT and configuration software, ensure that your systems are not just smart but future-ready. Ready to transform your automation systems? Join the ranks of industry leaders already powered by Lenze. Discover the future of automation today. Lenze Automation Simplified, powering the future of industry.